In this video, I'll walk you through 4 fixes for the OneDrive Unable to Move shortcut error in Windows 11. Click on OneDrive App icon on System tray on taskbar. Then, click Help and Settings at the bottom of the pop-up window. Select Settings from the list after clicking Help and Settings button. Make sure you are in Account tab, and click Unlink this PC, as shown in the below screenshot. Enter the email address, and click Sign In button in the Setup OneDrive pop-up window as shown below. Enter the password for the email address you entered previously. Click Sign In button to complete the setup process. Then, perform all the on-screen prompt to complete the setup. Once done, please try to move the shortcut and check if the warning still persists. Right-click OneDrive App icon on System tray on taskbar. Then, select Settings from the context menu as shown below. Go to About tab and click the version link under About Microsoft OneDrive section as shown below. Clicking the version link will directly take you to the Downloads page where you can download and install the latest version of OneDrive app. Close the Settings window. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Type %locale appdata %Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.exe/reset and hit the Enter key. If you are getting any error while resetting OneDrive app data using the above command, try to execute the below given commands in Run dialog box. Siege program files Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.txe/reset. Siege program files x86 Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.exe/reset. Now check if the problem still appears while trying to move the shortcut. Open a new web browser tab, e.g. Google Chrome, and sign in to your OneDrive account online. Try to remove the problematic shortcut. The File Explorer on your system will automatically remove this shortcut. After a few minutes, try to move the shortcut and check if the problem still occurs. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.